Hi, I'm Adam. I'm the Director of Fabulous Catering. My business has been operating for about 16 years. At Fabulous Catering, our key clients are both private and corporate customers, and we provide catering to off-site, so into their office or directly at their home. Our vision is to become one of the leading caterers in the whole of Australia. So we were looking for a solution to help us with the quantity of leads that we were getting. So we get around about 60 to 70 leads per day, and we needed to turn them into quotes. So we wanted a way to be able to manage that better. So we were looking for a customised solution for our staff to be able to not only send quotes faster, but for staff to be able to analyse that and be able to make the business a lot more efficient. We were looking for a solution, whether that be was a CRM or some other kind of software that was able to do that, but we came across Tallemu and they were able to help us with everything that we needed. The reason why we went with Tallemu was that they could provide a level of customisation that the others just couldn't provide. What sold us was that we were talking to business people that understood our business as opposed to just trying to sell very generic software. I've been able to work with Tallemu in a collaborative sense and been able to come up with new ideas on each step of the way of making my business much more efficient. The key points that we use for Tallemu, it's workflow automation tool so that we're able to process our leads faster and much more efficient. I like how we have developed a task management system that is driven from our office team directly into our kitchen so they know exactly what food to produce, as well as a range of different reports and labels getting printed at nominated times so that everything is starting to become completely automated. Since we've implemented Tallemu, we've probably saved about 30 to 40 man hours per week just in terms of admin in our office, but also it has sped up our chefs in terms of our kitchen has been able to be much more efficient by getting the data that they need when they need it. I'd definitely recommend Tallemu to anybody who's looking for an efficient, customisable CRM system.